Global military competition is heating up, with the United States relying on its NGAD program, China designing its mysterious sixth-generation jet, and Russia trying to steal the show with the MiG-41, a plane touted as more than just a successor to the MiG-31, but a revolutionary project with claims of Mach 5 speed, hypersonic weapons, and near-orbit capabilities. For Moscow, the MiG-41 is not just a symbol of technological innovation, but also a political and psychological message that Russia will not be left behind in the race for future air dominance.
Since the Cold War, the Soviet Union has been renowned for its ability to create long-range interceptor aircraft. One of its masterpieces is the MiG-41 Foxhound, which remains operational today as Russia's strategic air defense. The MiG-31 has a formidable reputation against threats from cruise missiles and U.S. bombers. However, time has passed. The MiG-31's technology has become increasingly outdated in facing modern challenges, particularly with the emergence of hypersonic missiles, space systems, and new generation drones. The need for a more advanced successor is inevitable. Russia realizes that without significant innovation, its air force could lose relevance in the future.
This is where the idea of the pak-dp prospective air complex for long-range interception emerged. This project, later popularized as the MiG-41, is billed as a sixth-generation aircraft with extraordinary ambitions to create an interceptor that is not only fast but also capable of operating in strategic areas never before achieved by any fighter aircraft. The MiG-41 is touted as a futuristic interceptor that is completely different from conventional fighter aircraft. Russia claims this aircraft can reach speeds of Mach 4 to Mach 5, making it a candidate for the fastest manned aircraft ever created by mankind. With this incredible speed, the MiG-41 is said to be capable of chasing hypersonic missiles and penetrating enemy territory uninterrupted. More than just a fighter, the MiG-41 is designed as a strategic defense tool for Russia. While fifth-generation jets like the F-22, Raptor, or Su-57 emphasize stealth and close-range dogfights, the MiG-41 is focused on being a guardian of Russia's skies against long-range threats. It is more like a strategic shield than a conventional offensive weapon. With this concept, many analysts refer to the MiG-41 as a strategic space interceptor. This nickname arises from its claimed operational capabilities, which can reach high atmospheric layers, even close to Earth orbit. If true, the MiG-41 would be in a class of its own, far above fifth-generation jets. The MiG-41's original design remains classified, but various circulating concept images show a futuristic shape with a sharp aerodynamic silhouette. The design is believed to prioritize extreme speed over radar stealth, as both concepts are difficult to combine in a hypersonic aircraft. Analysts believe the MiG-41 will utilize advanced composite materials, capable of withstanding the extremely high temperatures caused by air friction at Mach 5. Furthermore, the engine design will likely rely on variable air intakes and a ramjet or scramjet propulsion system to maintain performance at hypersonic speeds.
If these claims are true, the MiG-41 would represent a major leap forward in military aviation. It could be no longer just a fighter jet, but a hybrid of a fighter aircraft and a space vehicle, bridging a barrier previously unreached by conventional manned aircraft.
One of the most intriguing aspects of the MiG-41 is its promise to carry hypersonic weapons. Missiles traveling at speeds above Mach 5 make this aircraft not only fast but also a nearly impossible to intercept destructive platform. If realized, the MiG-41 would pose a serious threat to enemy missiles and aircraft. Furthermore, some reports suggest the MiG-41 may be equipped with laser weapons to target missiles or even satellites. While such technology has only been a concept in science fiction, Russia is eager to demonstrate it as a reality. This would revolutionize the way air and space warfare is viewed. Furthermore, Russia has also mentioned the option of unmanned operations. This means the MiG-41 could function as a hypersonic combat drone with artificial intelligence. Without the risk of losing a pilot, this aircraft could be more freely deployed on dangerous missions. If confirmed, the MiG-41 would be the first aircraft to combine hypersonic speed, futuristic weapons, and AI in a single combat platform. However, behind these spectacular claims, serious questions arise about funding. Russia's military budget is far smaller than that of the United States or China. Economic pressures from international sanctions also make it difficult for Moscow to spend significant funds on such a large project. An example is the Su-57, Russia's fifth-generation jet. Despite heavy promotion, its production has been very slow and its numbers are limited. Cost and technological constraints mean the Su-57 cannot compete in terms of numbers or effectiveness with the American F-35. This case has raised public doubts about the MiG-41's potential implementation. Many suspect the MiG-41 may function more as a propaganda project than a real program. Russia may be using the MiG-41's reputation as a psychological weapon to pressure its geopolitical rivals, even though its technical and economic reality is still far from operational. The MiG-41 is both a reflection of Russia's grand ambitions and the harsh reality it must face. If realized successfully, it has the potential to be a revolutionary aircraft and change the landscape of global air power. However, if it fails, the MiG-41 will be remembered as nothing more than a modern myth, a symbol of ambition that never took off.